Hello, welcome again to my channel Dacty for You. My name is Tina. To my old subscribers, thank you so much for the love and the support. I really appreciate it so much. If today is your first time here, you are warmly welcome. In today's video, I'm sharing with you how I prepare my fried waakye recipe. This recipe is so simple, so amazing, and I know you are going to love this. So let's get into this recipe without wasting much time. I start by first marinating my chicken. So I'm using chicken breast. To that I add in pepper powder, salt, and then some all-purpose seasoning. Then I give it a quick stir. I went ahead to drop in a little bit of soya sauce to this, which is optional, but you can just add it. This is about half teaspoon of that, and then I'll give it a stir again, cover it and set it aside to marinate for about 30 to 40 minutes. So here are the ingredients that I'll be using. The vegetables, I'm using minced bell peppers and sweet peas. You can use any vegetable that you want. To that I sprinkle a little bit of salt just to marinate it, and then I'll set it aside. Now in another bowl, break in your eggs. So I'm using about 3 eggs for this recipe. You can use more depending on the quantity of rice that you are cooking. So break in your eggs and then season it with salt and paprika. Please, if you are here and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my uploads. And don't forget to share this recipe with your family and friends. Go ahead and then mix this together. Make sure that it is mixed very well, yes, like so, and then you set it aside, and let's go ahead and fry our waakye. Adding about 2 tablespoons of oil into your saucepan, and then pour in your eggs to it. When you pour the eggs to it, do not stir immediately. I want my eggs to be very chunky, so I did not stir immediately. So once in a while, I'll just go in with my spatula, just trying to create a hole in for the fresh eggs to also cook. So that is how I do it for about 2 minutes to 3 minutes before I will just stir everything in, and then your eggs will be scrambled very beautifully like this. Just set it aside. And then in the same saucepan, add in about 1 tablespoon of oil and stir fry your marinated chicken. I'll make sure to leave everything that I used in this recipe in the description box below. So please do well to check it out for the ingredient that I used. And you can use any protein of your choice. You can use gizzard, beef, pork, anything that you have available. And if you don't have any chicken, you can only use the eggs and it will be nice. So use what works best for you. So this has been frying for about 5 minutes now. Add in your sliced onions and then ginger. So ginger and garlic paste. I grated some ginger and garlic, and then I sliced some onion. You can decide to just cut the onions into smaller cubes. That is up to you, but I wanted my onion sliced like this. And you can also decide to cut the meat very small. I want everything in this recipe chunky. So fry it for additional 5 minutes, making it 10 minutes. So this is after 10 minutes. Go ahead and then add in your waakye. So this is my oven baked waakye. Yes, perfect for your fried waakye recipe. Add it in and then stir fry this on a medium to high heat for about 5 minutes. I'll make sure to write every ingredient that I used in this recipe in the description box, so please do well to check. After 5 minutes, add in your vegetables and then turn your heat into a high heat. Stir everything in and then taste for seasoning and adjust seasoning. So I added a little bit of soy sauce to adjust my seasoning. Stir fry it for additional 2 minutes and then add in your eggs. When you add the eggs in, just stir fry it for about a minute or 2, and then you are all set to go. Your waakye, fried waakye, is ready. So you can pair this with any sauce of your choice, or salad, any vegetable, stir fry, chili sauce. So I paired mine with some black chili sauce, that is shito, together with some fried plantains, that is fried ripe plantains, and then it was just amazing. So thank you all so much for watching. God bless you. If you don't have waakye stew, no problem. this works perfectly fine. So just look at this. It's so beautiful. I love it. My family love it, and I hope you try it for your family and friends. Thank you. Bye, and stay safe. Enjoy.